channel. My name is Gift Olivia. In case you don't know me, you are highly welcome to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. So guys, hope you all are having a wonderful year. This is 2020. Hope you all are excited. Happy New Year to you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be preparing a delicious egusi soup, Nigerian egusi soup. So you want to stay tuned and watch this video to the end because it's going to be interesting. And also I'm making a yummy-licious soup. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I make a new video. And also please like and comment. So if you have any video that you want me to make on, if you have any recipe, any food, or anything you want me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think. And have a blessed day, guys. I love you all, so stay tuned. Let's go into this video. So guys, these are all my ingredients for the egusi soup. I have my meat and fish. This is my egusi, onions and maggi, bitter leaf, palm oil, salt, blended tomatoes. And here's my blended crayfish and blended pepper. My pepper and crayfish is already blended. So guys, this is my meat. It's well cooked now, and I placed it in this bowl. Adding my palm oil, and this is my blended tomatoes and onions. I blended onions and added it to it. So I'm going to pour in my blended tomatoes inside. I'm going to fry these tomatoes until it is dried. So let this be frying here. It's going to get fried. It's getting dried now, as you can see. So over here is my egusi and onions. I'll be mixing it with water. I added onions to the egusi. I'll mix them together. I'll add water, just a little bit. You can mix with spoon or with your hands, anyone you prefer. I'm going to let it to fry so everything can blend well. So as you can see, guys, everything is well fried now. You can't see the tomatoes anymore. Everything is blended. Now we'll add the stock meat, everything inside. Yummy-licious egusi soup. So I will stir everything together. So right now I'll add in my crayfish and pepper. I'll need 1.5 spoon of pepper. Then my crayfish, 3 tablespoons of crayfish. I always like enough crayfish to be in my soups. Yummy-licious egusi soup. I'm making the party style. So over here is my bitter leaf. I soaked it in hot water so it can remove the excess bitter taste. So this is my bitter leaf. I'm going to filter it and be adding it inside. My bitter leaf. Yummy-licious egusi soup. Guys, try this method. You are going to enjoy this egusi. My fish. Now if you have not yet subscribed, like and comment. So guys, please tell me what you think. Oh my god, everything is perfectly okay now. Yummy-licious, guys. It's so yummy and delicious. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. So I will cover it to keep cooking. All set now. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Keep supporting me, guys.